Today we're here at my shop. We're actually gonna set up the LED neon ropes, and we're gonna set it up, and we're gonna do a pretty much a little simple demo so you guys can see. I'm gonna do the letter F because my name is Frank. So we're gonna set that up. We're gonna put this together and see how well it works. So when I first got it, I was a little, hesitant about doing certain things because this is beautiful light by itself. You could actually decor any entire area. I'm gonna actually put it right underneath the table to begin with, and then I'll start trimming it down. Right now, we're just gonna go ahead and see how it works and put it together. You get the actual instructions. You're gonna need some manual to download the application if you want to remote control it. You get the actual control itself, and then you can see a little shape that you could figure it up. Now the actual rope is pretty long. They give you a couple feet long, the extra connection in here, and then you could cut these out and actually shorten them out too. So it doesn't have to be the entire rope to connect. And then they give you the power, and we're going to test out the power, make sure it works first in the remote control. The remote control has many options that you can do. This is going to be the actual module to control with the IR. You guys can see that. This is how you control the remote control. On and off button, power on, in different modes. That's pretty much it. Now they give you a bunch of screws, and this is in case you're gonna screw this to the wall. They have a couple of drywall mounts, but they give you many of these. These are actually see-through, so you can actually lock them in place. So if you have a hardwood floor or somewhere you want to set them up, you can just individually set these up, follow the lettering, and then you can set them up. So connect this one here. It basically, it's a simple connection. Connect it here. And then what you want to do is connect the power in here. This is where you connect the power. All right, so let's go ahead and do that and then set this up. We just turned it on right now. We're gonna try different modes here from here. This is an off and on button here, if you guys can see that. But this is audio. Test 1, 2, 3. Oh man, this is pretty awesome. And then we got different modes, of course, different light effects. This is for solid colors, but these are the modes, the center button. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. You can set these up anywhere pretty much, and we're gonna do a lettering, see if we can do a letter and see if we could follow it. Look at the different modes it has. You could do this with the remote control. So we're gonna try party, and in party it changes to different. Sweet, cool, flow. Look at that. Oh, that's awesome. Chase, and then roll, and then 2H, quick, slow, and then audio. Audio works with anytime you're talking or anything like that. This is an awesome LED light. So let's put it together and put it in a background. All right, there it is. I did the letter F. I'm gonna turn it on, see how it works, and see if it looks like it's an actual letter F. Right, we got all the lights off here, and we're gonna try the different modes. But look at, I made a letter F on here, and we're gonna go and change it, see what it does. So let's go ahead and change the actual modes. Let me see. There it goes. That looks awesome. So if you want to design your own logo in the middle, you can print it out and maybe put the neon lights around it. Look at that, the solid colors right there. And this is awesome. Look at that, a chase. This is a chase. This is awesome. Audio. This is the audio test. 1, 2, 3. Change it now to different audio. 1, 2, 3, and then off, and then again. Test. Oh, that's cool. And when you talk, it changes color too. I like it. You can also control it through your phone. It's necessary to control through your phone if you want, if you lose the controller, but it's awesome little features that it has. I like the LED lights. They look beautiful at night. You could create your own logos, your own designs, and this would be something that's very simple to use. I like that it has a double-sided tape. It has these clips. It has for any kind of hardwood or drywall. You could set these up so you could have your logos pretty much mounted anywhere. And if you're going to be streaming, this is a great option to have in your background. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.